Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing char-grilled chicken in Saladmaster. We're going to start by squeezing lemon on our chicken. Next we're going to sprinkle on some brown sugar. Now we're going to add some paprika on top, as well as some tumeric. This is going to give it that nice golden color. We're also going to add a pinch of salt and pepper. Now we're going to flip and repeat on the other side. Here's a list of the marinade ingredients you're going to need. For a full list of the ingredients and the recipe, please check the description below. You should leave this for at least an hour before cooking, but if you can, it's best to leave it overnight. Now it's time for the most important part. We're going to dry very well using a paper towel. This is so important, as one of the main reasons people tend to burn when they fry is that they don't dry their meats well enough. So really make sure to pat dry with the towel. We're going to be using our griddle, so we're going to preheat on a medium heat, and we're going to do the water test to check that it's ready. When it's ready, just place your chicken on and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at Neolife Leads. Look at the oil that's already coming out. When it's ready, just flip and cook for another 15 minutes. And look at that, it looks so good, as if we cooked directly on the grill. Now you're ready to eat and enjoy.